Akuthina kumbi kakhulu mkhulu. When these people gathered in your abstention, if inyanga ihlangana ungekho wena, zithi yazi lo baba uyiphethe le. Yabona mangazi masikathola ithuna lakhe singamvusa lo muntu. They wish you dead so that they can use you. Indlela abanomona ngayo. They are the deceiver of all. That is why inyanga ozoyithatha uyilethe kwakho, it must be as close security kuwena. And ndifuna wazi ukuthi the same nyanga ezo address izitha zakho uthi kuphi. Same one. Leyo noyilethe kwakho. Iyona futhi ezo address uthi yabona mase behlele uthi mina kodwa mase sikhuluma iqiniso mina nginomuntu okwaziyo kwasani man. Owazi nangaphakathi. Mase sikhuluma iqiniso mina nginomuntu owazi yeka nje mina nginomuntu owazi ngaphakathi ongenayo nangaphakathi. Because baze inyanga when so called your friend. The best friend is yourself, not your wife. Your wife is not even your friend as well. It's just umfazi nje lo omgibela ngenduku kuphela. Kuyena nje umngane wakho lo. Then your best friend it is you. Because zithembe wena ngayo yonke indlela. Dila nenkinga zakho ngayo yonke indlela. Lezi nyanga zo poison ngendlela yesimanga. Believe you me, ama politicians awadliswa abafundisi, adliswa ama politicians. Abafundisi abadliswa izangoma, badliswa abanye abafundisi. Engisho ukuthi abantu onabo kwileague are the same people who are planning you to be renegated uyodlala ehlathini. Because abakwazi ukumelana necompetence yakho. We are too good for them. They just don't like you. Yabona sikakhuluma nje nge-top 6 yayinoma yaphi organization party, but a candidate president abayithandi because they wish it is them.
True.
They wish it is them.
True.
Engisho ukuthi nawe ke wherever ngabe wayiphi icamp funa wazi ukuthi those people you are call them your friend, your colleagues, believe you me, they are sharing secret about you with the opposition. They are sharing dirty secret about you, ama weak points akho to the opposition and nenyanga ke zenjalo. Babu Dokotela babu sisi bawujabulele lo mfana muhle ngathi khehlela emlungu. Distance yourself from people you are called your friends, because you got no friend. Umngane wamgcina esikoleni. Siyabonga.